We are sold lots of cleaning products in lots of plastic, when in reality, most of us only need a few things to keep our home fresh. Today, I'm sharing with you a few of my favorite low waste, low plastic, minimal cleaning swaps, and I also have a PDF list of 60 swaps that I recommend if you're interested in the description box below. Just like my last list of 100 bathroom swaps, by no means do you have to make all or any of the swaps that I'm suggesting. They're just a resource if you run out of something and want to make a more conscious, eco-friendly choice and have the privilege to do it. None of these changes are necessary to living an environmentally friendly life, and the accessibility of these products varies widely from consumer to consumer. Personally, they've helped me cut down on the amount of plastic and waste I produce, and my lungs definitely thank me for using less harsh ingredients. For more videos about leading a intentional, low-waste lifestyle, including useful swaps, DIYs, and conversations about social and racial implications surrounding the environmental sphere, please like this video and hit subscribe. My favorite swap has got to be ditching the store-bought all-purpose cleaner and just using a homemade spray of 50% vinegar, 50% water. It cleans my surfaces really well, although I don't use it on certain wood finishes or granite because it can corrode. But it's a super cheap, easy cleaner. If you're not into the vinegar smell, which I totally get, you can add citrus rinds to make it lemony or orangey. But I do like the vinegar smell. To me, it smells clean. And if you don't have a glass bottle like this, you can just reuse an old plastic one if that is more attainable for you. In place of sponges when doing the dishes, I've been using this jute scrubber. I got this one from a local zero waste store here in Chicago, but you can find similar ones online or at other places. I've listed some in my resource, my PDF. Couldn't think of it. But it works so well. I don't know why I didn't use it sooner. I was using compostable dish brushes to wash my pans and pots, but they weren't super malleable. It was hard to get in the nooks and crannies, which this is great for. And sponges don't last very long. They get kind of gross, and this will last a long time and is fully compostable at the end. If you're crafty, maybe you can make your own. I am not there yet. And to clean, it's super easy. You can wash it by hand after you use it, just kind of rinse off any grossness. But then to deep clean, you can just throw it in the dishwasher or the laundry machine. Castile soap, this one says all-in-one. It's true. I use it along with water to wash my dishes, and then I have a liquid version of this that I dilute with water as well and clean the surfaces that I can't use the vinegar spray on. I also use it to clean my makeup brushes. Some people use it to wash their hair. It truly does everything. Definitely a new fave. I have a lot of rags and towels that I've accumulated over the years, and they're mismatched and old and a little stained and gross, but they work well. Sometimes I just spill a little bit though, and a big rag is not really what I need. But in place of paper towel, I have these Swedish dishcloths that when they're dry, they basically kind of feel like really thick paper towels, but when you get them wet, they get soft and they're super durable, really easy to scrub little messes, great for cutting down paper waste. And that's it for me today. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.